Hello everyone, and I welcome you to this particular course, that is Basics of Power BI. So I am Vaishnavi Sattav, working as a data scientist in Crucial Technology, and I would be guiding you throughout this particular course, and I will let you know about each and every fundamental aspects of this particular BI tool. So BI tool is an business intelligence tool which is used in worldwide industry of analytics. And we have multiple tools like Excel, Tableau, Power BI, but we have a Power BI which is tremendously, or we can say it is most popular in the data analyst industry, where this particular BI tool is developed by the Microsoft, which is used for analyzing the data, making dashboards, or transform the data. The raw data is being transformed into meaningful insights, where we can analyze each and every chart and take the informed decision on the basis of that data, where we can actually increase the sales, or we can increase the KPIs, that is key performance indicators of where the industry is actually focusing on. So why it is used? Actually, because it is more significant, or we can say it is important in you we can analyze the data. It is important in analyzing in data, where we can take the informed decision. We can take the decision on the basis of the data, where the businesses are producing our data, or they are collecting a data for the process, or improving each and every aspect into the businesses. Where why it is important? We can see we have the complex data sets as well as simple data set as well. So for both the cases, we can use this particular BI tool to analyze it and take the decisions on the basis of that analytics. We can create interactive dashboards, we can create interactive reports, we can create interactive charts, where which can be useful for analyzing the data and understanding each and every trend of the data, each and every aspect of the data. And we can use this particular data like a gold mine, where this gold mine would extract this particular mechanism of that is Power BI is a machine which would extract the gold out of the gold mine, and where we would be exploring the concept or the tools inside the Power BI, that is PQVS, that is Power Pivot, Power Query, Power View, and Power Service, which also consist of in sub points, which we would explore in a overview right now and explain. I would explain this in the detail in the further sessions. So first we have a Power Pivot. In the Power Pivot, we actually do the data modeling. We establish a relationship between the different data sets. As we know, we can bring different kinds of data, different formats of data into the Power BI. So this different types of data which can be brought into the Power BI, we can establish a relationship between the two tables and generate a data model. And we also have in Power View, that is Power Report, we have a report view, we have the pivot view, we have a table view. And in the report view, it consists of all the dashboards, all the reports, all the charts which we can visualize. All the visualizations is present in the report view. And in the table view, all the reports consist of data. That data, where it came from, the Power Pivot, right? The Power Pivot consists of all raw data, and we are using that data for creating a reports. And this data can be observable in the table view as well. We can easily see the tables of each and every sheets present. as well as we have a pivot view as well. In the pivot view, all the data modeling which we have done in the Power Pivot can be observed during the visualizations as well. So it is one of the most understanding tool as well. So next comes here Power Query. So all the data which is being collected from the Power Pivot can be transformed if it contains any kind of the missing values or the formatting issues, or we if even if we want to add certain columns, or even if we want to remove certain columns, we can transform the data into the Power Query. And next we consist of Power Service. So Power Service is an online a website application, not application, we can say it is a platform through which we can easily share the dashboards to the stakeholders. And one of the important thing which we can do is streamline data analytics. We can perform a real-time analytics using a Power Service. So Power Desktop is another thing and Power Service another thing. So these two are different things, and let's understand why it is actually the Power BI is most popular or widely used, why it is so important. So we can see the first point, that is easy to use. We'll see that as well, why it is easy to use. So you would learn to explore the charts, explore the Power BI interface, that it would be just a drag and drop techniques, and we would love that techniques, and these would create a meaningful insights or meaningful decision for the industry. So we would see that it is easy to use and accessibility. It can be accessible in any of the desktop. Next, we can see that it is integration and connectivity. So it can be connected to the various data sources, like maybe we can say that it is more than 200 data sources through which we can get the data, the different sources we can get the data and transform the data and visualize it into the Power BI. So it is the insane, right? So this is insane and we would be loving it to do that. So as well as we can have a real-time analysis as well using a Power BI service as well, and we can take instant decisions for the company, for the industries which are based on the decisions making for their respective profit. So again, another option why it is important is scalability and customization. So it is easy to customize each and everything by a button clicks. We can easily drag and drop everything, and easy to understand, easy to customize, as well as it is used by the small scale company as well as a big scale or a large scale company, where it provides the flexibility and it provides the insane facility to visualize the big data as well. This particular course would be able to explore each and every aspect of Power BI, and let's explore everything and be a job ready. So let's meet again for the next session. Thank you for watching.